The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Flip 4 foldable phones have launched in India. The new foldable phones have an IPX8 rating for water resistance. The new device do not get major upgrades, but there are some notable changes in the processor and camera departments. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is the first device to chip Google's Android 12L foldables. Both the Galaxy phones pack the new flagship Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1 chip under the hood. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 foldable phones carries a bigger 3700 mAh battery. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 users will not be able to take selfies in the portrait mode. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 starts from $999, which is around rupees 80,000 in India. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 price starts from $1,799 globally, which is translate to around rupees 1,42,000 in India. Samsung is yet to reveal the India price of the new foldable phones. So friends, if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for such kind of videos. Thanks for watching this video.